Okay, today what we're doing is we're putting a different floor into the food trailer. And what we're using is this Armstrong flooring. It's got a commercial warranty and it's pretty easy to work with. What it is it's just this thin vinyl stuff here. So it's real flexible. It's real easy to cut with the shears. Very easy to work with. And all we're doing is, you see, I used a rubber mat in one of my previous videos, but that mat shifted. And so it's not going to work. So I'm going to have to put something down that I have to glue. And this is what I came up with. I'm using this Loctite PL375. It's really also very easy to work with. You just got to get one of these guns to get it out of the tube. Then we just spread it around on the floor, and we use a trowel. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got the little pointy things on the edge, the grooves, so it makes like a grooved line. And it just works real easily. You just spread it out, get it as even as you can. And there's really not much else to it. After you get it spread out, it's just a matter of taking this tile and putting it in place. And I always start from the edge that's already down because it gets a little sloppy sometimes. And that minimizes the stuff that comes out of the crack. Yeah, and all you do is you push it down into place. And then you can get, there's always a little extra that comes out. You just wipe that with your finger or whatever. And it's pretty easy. It says it's got a 48-hour cure time. But actually, once you get it down, it's only got a 30-40 minute working time where you can actually still slide it around and stuff. So you don't have to work real quick, but you have to be aware that once you get it down, it's not going to be real forgiving once it starts to dry a little bit. Like I said, it should be 48 hours to cure time, and that's about it. Once we get this floor all the way in, we got most of it in, we're just going to come up to the edge here. Once we get the floor in, we're going to put the equipment back in, and we're going to work on mounting it and installing it. So thanks for watching. Feel free to comment. Helps the channel. If you like and subscribe, that helps too. So thanks for watching.